व्हाट्स अप गाइस, वेलकम टू बॉम्बे बॉय हु पेडल्स। और आज की वीडियो में हम लोग हैं फिर से एट शौर्य साइकिल्स इन मीरा रोड मुंबई। एंड अब से कुछ वीडियोस के लिए हम लोग थोड़ा ध्यान देने वाले हैं ई बाइक्स पे, विच आई फील आर गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन फॉर शॉर्ट कम्यूट्स इन द फ्यूचर कंपेयर टू पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट इन lieu of the whole pandemic situation. In fact, a lot of countries all over the world are recognizing the fact that cycling could be a much better option for daily commutes as compared to public transport. Because maintaining social distancing is much more effective when you are on a bicycle as compared to traveling by bus, taxi, or train. So, without any further ado, let's start with the unboxing video for today. Okay, guys, before we begin the video, I would like to make a small request. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel on YouTube by hitting the subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit the bell button so that you're up to date with all the forthcoming videos. Thank you so much, guys. Please make sure you do this. It means a lot. So Being Human basically offers two models of the e-bike. One is the BH12 and the other is the BH27. और आज के वीडियो में हम लोग अनबॉक्सिंग कर रहे हैं BH27 मॉडल की. Now let's get into the technical specifications of the bike. The bike comes with a top quality and sturdy lightweight steel frame. And the complete build of the bike weighs in at 22 kilos, which is quite respectable. In terms of the powertrain, you get a 250 watt brushless DC motor which is installed in the rear wheel. The power comes from a 36 volt lithium ion battery with a 7.8 amp Samsung cell. It has a 3 to 4 hours charge time and a 3 years battery life. The complete battery unit is installed in the large down tube and cannot be removed. The Being Human BH27 comes with a standard run-of-the-mill coil suspension fork which is adjustable, which, considering the fact that this is a city commuter bike and not a mountain bike, does its job sufficiently. The bike comes with the entry-level Shimano Tourney 7-speed drivetrain. But it does not come with a front derailleur or a 3-speed crank, as this is an e-bike and there is no need for it. You also get 26-inch 6-spoke wheels along with 26 into 2.1 inch tires. Stopping power comes from a set of mechanical disc brakes with 160 mm rotors front and back, which are on point and do the job. Amongst other things, the bike also comes with a bright LED display unit that gives you your standard metrics like speed, distance, range, battery life, etc. And you get a horn as well. The BH27 has a top speed of 25 km per hour. And it comes with two very useful features. First one being pedal assist, which basically means that you and the motor of the bike work together for maximum efficiency. And the second is automatic motor cutoff, which cuts the power to the motor the moment you hit the brakes. And lastly, the bike has a range of 30 kilometers. So to wrap things up, if you're looking for a safe option for short daily commutes, the Being Human BH27 e-bike is a good place to start. Since the brand has been around for a few years, the after-sales experience is a lot smoother. And now, coming to the price of the bike. The MRP listed on the website is 53,999 rupees. Frankly speaking, I find it to be a little too high. But worry not, make sure you call Mr. Ajay at Shaurya Cycles and he will definitely hook you up with a much better deal. So that was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. And before you guys tune out, make sure you like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.